When looking at this interface, this image that you see is a still image. It's not changing. It does change from time to time randomly if motion is detected, but it's not the best way to see what's going on live outside of your house. To see what's going on live, it's best to click on the picture. You have a couple of different options. There's a picture-in-picture option. If you double click on it, it switches to split screen. When you're in the picture-in-picture, if you click the little arrow, which is in the little corner of the picture-in-picture, you can get a nice full screen of the one camera. If you decide you want to save a recording or view a recording, you can go to the playback option. On some of the screens it shows as a play with a backwards arrow. In other spots, when you're in the split screen, it has an actual playback button. If you click on the playback button, you can see that there are strikes on the timeline bar. If you zoom in with your fingers on the timeline bar, or use the magnifying glass, you can zoom in on the timeline and you'll see there's a little red line which signifies where you're trying to watch on it. You need to line that up in one of the orange areas to view that spot, and you can watch what is recorded from that location. If you decide you want to record this, it's something you need to share with somebody else, you can hit the record button. It will record. It needs to at least be a 3-second long video. When you press the record button again, the video will save to the phone. You'll need to go into your phone's library, photo library, to find the correct video. And that is how you watch the playback. And if you need to switch back to live, you can click the live button. We are going to ring the doorbell. When the doorbell rings, you should hear a tone now after setting up the chime setting. When the doorbell is rang, it will bring up the display. When you hit accept, it may ask for permissions. If it asks for permissions, you need to give it permissions to the microphone. You can now talk out of the camera to whoever is out there. If you want to have a private conversation inside while you're talking to that person outside, you can press the mute button. That will mute the person. They will no longer be able to hear you. When you unmute them, they will be able to hear you again. And when you're finished the conversation, you can hang up. Only one person can view the live view and talk at the same time to that person.